Is your Dodge Hornet's alarm constantly triggering? The most common culprits are the proximity antenna, door switches, and battery issues. The proximity antenna, part of the passive entry passive start system, detects your key fob. If it's faulty due to wiring, damage, or corrosion, especially in coastal areas, the alarm can activate. Door switches monitor door status and can malfunction due to corrosion or wear, falsely signaling an open door and triggering the alarm. A weak car battery below 12.4 volts or a weak key fob battery can disrupt sensor signals and cause the alarm to go off. Software glitches in the body control module are another known cause, addressed in recent Stellantis technical service bulletins. Start by resetting the BCM. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear any software glitches. Check your key fob battery using a multimeter. A weak battery can cause false alarms, so replace it if necessary. Inspect door switches for corrosion and clean them. Apply dielectric grease to prevent sticking and false alarms. If you suspect a faulty Prox antenna, visit a dealer for diagnostics and potential replacement. Check for technical service bulletins related to alarm faults. Ensure your car battery is healthy. A failing battery can cause electrical issues leading to false alarms. Software updates can fix BCM glitches, but basic maintenance is key. Regular checks every 6 months can reduce alarm issues by 50%.